What's up, everybody? I am so excited today to be able to present the newest listing from the Living in Dallas, Texas team. My name is Travis Plum. Today we are at Panther Creek, located right here in Frisco, Texas. This property is absolutely to die for. The location is top notch as well. We are just minutes away from the Star, minutes away from the Tollway, minutes away from PGA. Everything is just right around the corner from this property. So let's go ahead and go inside and check this thing out. Come on. All right, so if you're looking to move to Frisco, this is a very rare opportunity. There's no other homes in this area that are actually for sale. Everything is kind of flying off the market right now. So I want to show you around. The homeowner actually redid a lot of this house. They completely repainted it, did all sorts of stuff. We'll touch base on all those different points as we walk through the property. But located right here by the front door, you have this really nice, spacious office with beautiful natural light coming through with the big open windows, tall vaulted ceilings, and of course it's also got this built-in desk over here as well, so you don't necessarily have to set up your own desk if you don't want to, or if you wanted to have a kid over here as a study partner, perfect opportunity to do that. And also one of the things that our clients really love is having an extra bedroom downstairs for a mother-in-law suite or a guest bedroom, which I'm going to show you in just a second here. But you're probably asking, Travis, how much is this gorgeous property? So we are going to list this place for $850,000. It's a 2006, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It's got a 3-car garage and it's got 4,279 square feet. So it's got plenty of space for a nice big family. All right, let's go ahead and check out this extra bedroom downstairs. And you'll notice that since this house is facing east, there's a lot of beautiful morning sunlight that comes into the bedroom right here. And then it also has its own ensuite bathroom, full bathroom, just located right inside of the bedroom right here. Nice stand-up shower, everything that you need, but it's nice and private, located on the other side of the property. So we're gonna go right this way and check out the rest of the house. Now, as you come right through the front door to the left-hand side, you've got your formal dining room space right here. And again, when the homeowner originally purchased the property, everything in here was really, really dark, and she did a phenomenal job of repainting and just opening things up throughout the property, making it look nice and clean and bright, which is what everyone wants these days. And it travels straight into the kitchen. Now, before we get into the kitchen, I want to show you that they have a really nice sized laundry room. Okay, it's got custom cabinets already built in. It's got a washroom sink right over here. It's got natural light, so it's actually a really nice size. Plenty of space to do all the laundry. It's even got a fridge in there. And the kitchen in this place is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, you've got a nice island right here in the middle with tons of storage. And then you've got these nice custom cabinets rolling all the way through. You've got your oven, you got the microwave, and then right over this way as well, you got your 4-burner gas stove, right? And then again, really nice. She repainted the kitchen cabinets to where they're white, so it continues to match the house. Makes it look really nice and pretty. Nice size sink, and then it opens up into the primary living space right over here, which we'll get to here in just a second. But you got your breakfast nook, okay? Of course, you can use this for anything that you want. And then I really love how they have these nice big floor to ceiling windows. They're really nice, open, lets all the natural light in here. That way it just has a much more open feel to it. And then you've got your living room space, right? You've got a very nice gas fireplace. You could hang the TV up right above this, or you could even put the TV right in here. There's lots of things that you could do with the living room space, but I really like how open everything is. Nice natural light rolling through. It's just a gorgeous property. Now, located right over here is the primary suite, but I'm gonna save the best for last because it's absolute to die for. If you're looking for a nice custom closet with lots of space, this is the property that definitely has it. But first, before we do that, we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you the other 4 bedrooms. And also, I think it's important to notice there's a stairwell that goes up right here. And then of course you've got this nice big winding staircase that goes upstairs from the front. So it just looks very elegant. And then you have this nice space, half bathroom right there. Perfect for a big old Christmas tree. You could get like a 20-foot, 25-foot Christmas tree and just put the little star on top if you wanted to, you know what I mean? So come on, let's go check it out upstairs. So I want to hear what you think so far about the property tour. Like, make sure that you subscribe, tap the bell for notifications if you're loving these home tours. We really appreciate all your love and support. Leave us a comment. I'm really wanting to hear what you have to say about everything so far. But for right now, let's go check out the game room. So now you have this really nice open game room area. Obviously you can see there's plenty of space up here. You could have your pool table, or if you just want to have a nice big screen TV and a nice open lounge area, that's what I would use it for personally. And then of course you got your wet bar over here. It's got the custom cabinets right here that you could put your wine in or whatever drinks you want. And then it's even got a built-in for a little tiny mini refrigerator. Plenty of storage inside of this closet right here. And then over this way is one of the bedrooms, which I want to show you. Got the full bathroom over here, another closet right here with plenty of storage. And then here are one of the bedrooms. All of the bedrooms in this property are really nice, oversized bedrooms, everything upstairs. And then you've got, again, these nice size walk-in closets in every single one of the rooms. So I want to take you across the property and show you the Jack and Jill room because they're really beautiful, and she did some custom work with the closets and the closet doors. So let's go take a look. And before we check out the Jack and Jill, they have the fourth bedroom, okay? I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, but the fourth bedroom over here is actually really neat because you can do a lot with this space. Again, a nice size bedroom right here. And then of course, right this way, you've got another big walk-in closet. Now I want to show you something that is actually not necessarily the most common thing that you would see right behind this door. You can use this, well, come on, let's go take a look and I'll share some of my ideas, right? We'll flip the light on. So this is actually completely finished flooring in through here. And so you've actually got all this extra space that you could do with this bedroom. You could actually, if you come right over here, you could actually pull this down and create a bigger closet if you wanted to. This could be a hidden secret room or a gun safe back here. You could pull it out further over there, have an even bigger closet. So I think that it's actually really cool that they have finished floors inside of this attic, so that way you can get creative if you want to expand and grow this extra bedroom that's upstairs, right? So that is what I think is really, really neat about this room. I'm gonna turn the light off and then we're gonna check out the Jack and Jill. So come on, let's go take a look. So again, really nice big bedrooms, big open windows. Originally when they bought the property, again, it was really dark in here. So I like how they painted it. It's a very pretty color. It makes it nice and bright and open. And this closet actually had a closet door. So it just took up a lot of space, right? So we put a barn door in here, right? And inside of here, you can see that she built in these really nice custom shelves. Before, it was just a really, really tight fit. You couldn't get a lot of clothes in here, but I love what they've done with the design, made it to where they can fit all their shoes, all of their clothes. Just a really clever use of typically what would be considered a very small, unusable space is now very usable. And right this way, this is where the Jack and Jill are connected. And I want y'all to pay attention to the little details, even in these Jack and Jill kids' bedrooms. Look at the nice attention to detail that they put on the tile in here, the tile floors. It is just really, really beautiful. I love the color with the gold combination. Of course, you've got your shared bathroom space here, toilet, stand-up shower, and again, really nice that I want to show you, tile behind the mirror here. And check out this huge walk-in closet right here that they added. And originally, again, this was a very tight space, like a normal closet that you would see. They built all the custom shelves in here, and you can see this was where the closet originally was. It was just really, really tight. So they moved the wall out of the way and they pushed it back an extra couple of feet. So you've got even more space and more storage inside of the closet. So there's plenty of space. And then of course you've got the fourth bedroom upstairs. Nice, beautiful. I love the color, tall ceilings, nice natural light that comes in. It's just a gorgeous property. And what do y'all think about this? I think that's actually really pretty, really pretty. So let's go ahead and now we're gonna go check out, or we're gonna go back downstairs. We're gonna go check out the backyard, and then we're gonna go check out the primary suite because it's absolutely to die for. I can't wait to show you. So follow me and let's go take a look outside. And like I mentioned earlier, there's two ways up and down into this house. This comes right out back into the living room space. Now we're gonna go outside and check out the backyard, all right? And I wanted to show you all the backyard, of course, right? Nice size lot, especially in Frisco, Texas. It's already got a covered patio back here, so it's nice and relaxing if you want to just hang out here and cook. And then, of course, they've got the nice stonework, okay? That just goes all the way from here to the fencing. And what I really like about this is that it's got the nice, tall 8-foot privacy fences wrapped all the way around the entire backyard. Now, I know some of the hardscaping looks a little bit poor right now. That's because we just came out of a 5-degree weather freeze. I mean, it was just absolutely crazy. So it does look a little bit poor, but normally whenever the spring starts to come back around, everything's gonna be fixed up. Everything's gonna be nice and pretty and green and fresh. So I wouldn't worry about that too much, but just wanted to showcase this backyard. And so we're gonna actually head back inside now, and we're gonna finally go and check out that primary suite. So let's go check it out. And I know everyone's always waiting to see the primary bedroom, so that's exactly what we're gonna go do. Now, before we showcase this, again, make sure that you like and subscribe if you're really loving these home tours on all the available inventory that we have for sale in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And then please leave us some comments. I'm really curious and excited to see what you have to think about this property. Now, here we have the primary bedroom, right? Very tall, vaulted ceilings in here. And of course, they have an extended primary bedroom with the nice glass windows that lets all the natural light come in here. Plenty of space. And then also, one of my favorite features in these homes is when there's a door directly in the primary that goes straight out to the backyard. For me, I think that's just a huge convenience. If you just want to go straight outside and have a morning cup of coffee or something like that, it makes it really easy. And then you've got the double door entry into the primary bathroom, okay? You've got the his and her sinks. You got a nice big soaking jacuzzi tub, nice walk-in stand-up shower. And if you really want a nice fancy closet, this one has it. Check it out. When we first came here and bought this house, right, this was completely dark, completely open. There was actually no hangers, no nothing inside of this closet. And so what she's done with this place is just absolutely spectacular. Tons of space, tons of storage, even added this nice countertop in here with plenty of storage for whatever it is that you want to put in there. But I love this closet. I love the chandelier that she has put in here and just everything that she was able to do with the place. It is just absolutely perfect. I love it. Now we're going to go ahead. We're almost done with this property tour, so let's head back out and let's close it out. All right, y'all, so that's it for the property tour today. Again, if you are interested or anyone that you know is interested in this potential property or anything else that we have, please give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. You can even hop on Zoom call with us anytime, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, please reach out to us directly. All of our information is below. And again, thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I enjoyed filming it. We'll see you around town.